What's up, boys? Today I'm going to be doing a custom on the Nike M2K Teknos. Before we get started, let me just say the Nike M2K Tekno is a great overall lifestyle shoe. It's similar in build and aesthetic to the Nike Air Monarch 4. It's slightly different in a couple of places. For example, the bottom is different, this plastic heel support is different, and then the tongue in specific is different as well. But if you're looking for a nice walking shoe and a shoe with a really good price, I got these for $65, then you should definitely pick them up. So first, some things you're gonna need for this custom: a bowl, some Sharpies, dye, some brushes, and of course some napkins. So the first thing we gotta do is lay out some paper towels. Okay, rolling up the sleeves so you know it's about to get serious. Hopefully I don't completely destroy these shoes, that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so I taped up the sides, so hopefully if there's any splatter it won't mess things up too bad. But right now I'm gonna be painting the tongue, so in order to do that I'm gonna take out the laces real quick. And it kind of sort of works out because I need to dye the laces. So right now we gotta tape up the sides because we're gonna be painting the tongue yellow, kind of to go with like his yellowish goldish like trident thingy. Alright, so we taped up all the sides. Let's go. First stroke. Finished result for the tongue. Gonna let it dry for a couple minutes. So now to apply orange paint. No going back now. So took the tape off, and obviously this isn't the finished product. I'm probably gonna put on a second coat of paint and maybe some texturing with the Sharpie, but onto the blue. I just finished with painting the blue sections, and I must say it's looking pretty nice. Hopefully you guys can see that it's starting to come together. Yeah, but I think this color scheme that I've done here is really nice and vibrant. So next, I need to paint the green sections. One of the last coats of paint that I'm going to be putting on is around the heel area. So let's do that right now. Okay, I finished all around the upper and the inside or whatever. And just in case you're wondering, no, I did not piss all over that. That's actually yellow dye. So yeah. But anyways, now it kind of looks like there's like a lot of like loose ends and stuff. I'm gonna use this Sharpie and fix that. Okay, the very last thing I need to do is put in the laces. This is the finished product. I don't know what you guys think, but this thing is actually so tough. Basically, the bottom is supposed to represent like waves. The orange is like his scales and his armor. The green is like his fins. And then we just got laces. And then the golden part, as well as this and the tag, are supposed to represent his trident. So these turned out way better than I expected. I put just like aqua all throughout. So there's that, and that's what we started with. So quite a makeover, I'd say. Alright boys, that's about it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed getting to do some crafty things with some paint, different types of dyes and glitter and Sharpies and whatnot. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe, hit the bell. If we get 8 likes on this video, I'm turning this shoe into black manta, so stay posted. Bye boys.